If you sell life insurance and you're having trouble getting your first clients, this video is for you. And getting these clients won't cost you anything. In fact, even experienced insurance agents do this. Do you know why? Because it works. My name is Ballestra. I'm an insurance specialist based in the UK, and my goal is to help you sell more, make more money, and change your life. And this is what you learn in this video: where to get your first clients, how to approach them, what to say, how to schedule your first appointment, how to understand your conversion rate, and how to ask for referrals. The best part, it won't cost you anything to do this. And the first thing you're going to do is pick up your phone. Yes, the best place to start selling life insurance is with your own network of contacts. Your contact book is your biggest asset here. Okay, but who do you call in your own network? The answer is simple: people you already know. It's obvious because you have their contact details saved on your phone, but it's not just anyone you're going to call. Think about your friends, family, former colleagues, neighbors, anyone in your life who you have some connection. When you call, it will be a pleasure to talk to. And that's where it all starts. The list of hundreds. The first thing you need to do then is create a list of 100 contacts. This is an essential step. Your list should have 3 columns. Name can be their full name or just what you usually call them. The phone number, this could be a WhatsApp message or a direct call. And the outcome of the call. After you speak with them, note down whether it was a yes or a maybe, or they are not interested right now. Here's the thing: your network already knows you, they trust you, and this is a huge advantage. And remember, this strategy doesn't cost you anything and it gets results. All right, now that you know how to find your first clients for free, let's talk about what to say when you make that first call. But before you even pick up your phone, get a winning mindset in place. Think like you already closed the sale. Close the deal. If you approach the conversation with confidence, they'll pick up on that energy. If you sound excited, they want to hear more. Put a smile on your face, even if no one can see you. Just believe in yourself and believe in whatever you have to sell. All right, now that you've created your list of contacts and prepare your mindset, the next step is the actual call. Hi John, good morning. This is Ballestra, how are you? Simple as that. Just find some connection: work, friendship, family, church. Once you've broken the ice, explain why you're calling, but keep it simple, professional. John, the reason for my call is because I started helping people with life insurance for national protection here in the UK. Now I'm gonna do a break here for a very important sales lesson. First, let them talk. Second, hit this like button here and subscribe to this channel if you like this video so far, because it helps me a lot. You encourage me to create more content like this and perhaps help you many more like you. So let them talk. John's going to say something. Listen until he says it all. Well, if he says yes, this is how you proceed then. Oh, you have it. That's great, John. But John, since we are friends and you trust me, I would love to review your policy, mate. Then I offer a specific time slot for a quick chat. So John, I'll have tomorrow at 10 a.m. or 3 p.m. Which works best for you? Note that I didn't ask if he wants to talk to me because I assume he wants to talk to me. That's how it's done. You need to offer an appointment options and not asking if he wants to talk to you. You must be in control at this time. If John says he can speak at any of the times I have available, I'll offer another day and time, because this demonstrates that I am a busy person, therefore I am good because that's why I'm busy, and I am a professional. As much as we're friends, you need to separate things here. I'm here for business and I need to schedule him to talk to me. This is how it should be done. All right, but what to say if they say no? This is your chance to, to find out their pain. And I like to use 2 types of questions here. One another or even both. I'll say, for example, oh, so you don't have any protection in place. So that's okay, no problem. But have you ever thought about how your family or loved ones would manage if something happens to you? Or I'll say, all right, so you don't have it, but is there any specific reason why you never considered it? Never thought important to protect yourself and your family in case something bad happens? Just simple. Look, again, here's the important part. Let them talk. Because this is going to give insights into their needs and their concerns. So they respond and you will wait for them to finish. And whatever they said, yes or no, you move on. You go to the next step. So let's say, for example, John, that's exactly why I want to talk to you, mate. I can help you protect you and family. I'll make the process super simple for you. And then you go to the booking part again. So John, I'm free tomorrow 10 a.m. or Wednesday at 3 p.m. Which of these works better for you? That's it. Now, if you live in the UK, you can join my team. You can join us. You have access to the largest number of providers in the UK with extremely competitive commissions. But don't worry if you have no experience in insurance. If you're watching this video and have never worked in this field, no problem. I'll teach you everything you need to know. Want to know more? There's a form in the description for you to respond to. All right, now that you know how to connect, build trust, and ask the right questions during the call, the next step is booking your first client. First thing you want to do is send a confirmation email as soon as you agree on the appointment time. Your email should be clear and professional. For example, hi John, thanks for scheduling time with me. I'm looking forward to discussing your financial protections on the date agreed, at the time agreed. And if you need to reschedule or have any questions, please let me know. Best regards, Ballestra. Keep it simple, straightforward, professional. This sets the tone for the meeting and shows you value that time. Next, you follow up with a text message the day before or the morning at the appointment, for example. Hi John, looking forward to helping you with yours and your family's financial protection tomorrow at the time agreed. See you then. It is simple but shows your professionalism and helps them, reminds them of the meeting and adds an extra layer of commitment from both sides. But that's a way to make the whole process even easier and even more professional using an appointment schedule software. For me, this is a must-have for your business. We have so many options in the market. Calendly, for example, HubSpot, even Google. It shows your clients you are serious. It saves a lot of time. The software can sync with your calendar and then you can automate emails, reminders, and even these text messages I talked about. And that's the best part here. It is free. You can use these tools like Calendly, the Google Calendar, the HubSpot, all free. It's simple and saves you time and money. I always send a confirmation email to make sure both parts are on the same page. And then I use the quick text message to reduce the chances of a no-show. That's it. By the way, if you want to know how to use a system like this, or for me to make a tutorial on how to use Calendly or HubSpot, for example, write in the comments below. All right, now that you know how to book your first clients, the next step is understanding your conversion rate. You might be closing some deals, but you're not sure where you're losing opportunities. Your conversion rate is the percentage of people who move from one step of your sales process to the next. It's something that tracks you how well you're progressing through each stage. How many calls you make, how many those calls turn into appointments, how many of those appointments turn into full presentations, and finally, how many of those appointments result in sale. But the key here is understanding where people are dropping off. Let's say, for example, you make these 100 calls. Out of these 100, you schedule 20 appointments. From those 20 appointments, 10 people actually show up for the presentation. And from those 10, you close 3 deals. So 100 calls, 20 appointments, 10 presentations, 3 sales. Now, let's break down your conversion rate at each stage. 20% of calls turn into appointments. 50% of appointments result in presentations. 30% of presentations lead to a sale. 3%, but only 3% of calls turn into closed deals. Money. Look, this data is gold. Once you know your numbers, you can pinpoint exactly where things are going wrong and focus on improving those areas. For example, you are scheduling a lot of appointments, but not enough of those are turning into actual presentations. So maybe your pitch needs some work. If your presentations are not converting to sales, it could be time to improve your product knowledge, for example. Oh, I don't know, maybe you have low appointments, not enough. So you need to refine your pitch. Low presentations, improve your product knowledge. Low sales, improve objection handling and closing techniques. So this is what you need to do from now on. Track your calls, Know how many you are making. Track your appointments. See how many of those calls, turned into meetings. Track your presentations. Know how many of those appointments turn into presentations. And track your sales. And most importantly, actually, track how many of those presentations turn into sales. All right. Now that you know how to track your conversation rate and boost your sales, let's move on to something really important, asking for referrals, because you need to keep this cycle going. When you're getting referrals, the first thing you're going to do is thank your clients and reinforce the amazing decisions they have made. You can say something like, thank you, John, man, for trusting me to help protect you and your family. You made an amazing decision. And I'll be here to support you with everything you need. So, referrals, don't be shy. After all, you've just helped them make an important decision for their family, and chances are they'll be happy to recommend you to others. The worst they can say is a no, but most people will say yes, believe me. And if you don't ask referrals, your business died here. You need referrals to survive. Once you have those referrals, you just built your next list of leads, and for free. And guess what? The cycle begins again. Call, schedule, present, close, and repeat without spending any money on ads on marketing. Referrals. If you want to know how to get referrals from your clients, let me know in the comments below, and I will share more tips and scripts on how to ask the right way. I hope you liked this video, and remember, the more you track, the more you improve, the cycle keeps going.